Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. I am so excited, intrigued, kind of confused by the product I'm about to try. This is the NYX Shine Loud Liquid Lipstick. And I am always looking for long-lasting lip products. I don't like when there's any transfer from my lip products. And this here just is mind-boggling to me because it's supposed to be high shine with zero transfer. Like every lip gloss has transfer, so I'm so intrigued by this. It cost $11.50. It comes in a bunch of shades. This one here is called Goal Getter. And it says up to 16-hour wear, long-lasting lip, zero color transfer, no smudge, no bleed, no fade. You can kiss, drink, hair flip, and even wear it under your mask. That is just so amazing. This has good ratings, so I'm so excited to try this. It's vegan, cruelty-free. It's infused with nourishing ingredients like vitamin E, macadamia seed oil, coriander fruit oil, jojoba seed oil. And so let's try it out. So you are supposed to take, oh my gosh, what a cool applicator. The liquid color side, paint it on your lips at first. So this is like a giant doe foot that is almost hollow, except for instead of making a hole in the doe foot, it kind of just pushed it through a little bit. So it's like got a little bump on one side and an indent on the other. See how that looks? Just when I thought I'd seen every shape of applicator. Wow, so it goes on as a beautiful, super creamy, pigmented, a little shiny liquid lipstick. And now it says to wait 90 seconds for it to dry down. And I do see it drying and kind of losing that shine. I'm just fanning it to help it dry as well. But what do we think of this color? I really like it. It's like a pinky red, kind of like a glam shade, but flattering. Yeah, as it's drying down, I would say the finish is more of like a velvet finish. At first it did go on pretty shiny though, but it's very sticky. The type of sticky liquid lipstick that would be kind of uncomfortable and annoying to wear on its own. So I'm glad that there's the gloss topper to put on top of it and hopefully prevent that like stickiness feeling. But I am a little curious just to see. Yeah, no transfer right now. And so I feel like typically if I wear liquid lipstick and then I put a lip gloss on, it does kind of make the lipstick have some color transfer. But let's go ahead and see what kind of magic this has in it. Ooh, so this has like a brush applicator. And so I'm just going to brush it on top. It does look so high shine and beautiful. I'm gonna, instead of just like rubbing my lips together, I'm just gonna actually paint it onto the top lip as well. I love how high shine that is when it feels very moisturizing, because just the liquid lip color alone did feel a little dry, a little uncomfortable on my lips, but now my lips feel moisturized and hydrated. I'm like, is that all I do? No, nothing after putting the glossy top coat on. Okay, let's see if there's transfer. It really feels like there is going to be. What? No color transfer. I mean, that's what it claimed, but I'm still shocked. There is like the shiny glossiness has come off a little bit, but it's still glossy and intact on my lips. Oh my gosh, NYX did it. Because I love to wear a liquid lipstick and I love to wear a gloss, but I hate the transfer. This is literally my perfect product. I am blown away right now. It actually works. I want this in more colors because this is seriously the lip formula that I want to wear all the time. It feels so comfortable, nourishing on my lips, yet I don't have to worry about it coming off, having to touch it up. Oh my gosh. I'm so glad I finally tried this. I do think this is a relatively new product, but if you have the same type of preferences when it comes to lip products and wanting them to be really long lasting, but still wanting them to be hydrated and glossy, you've got to try this. And if you have tried it out, let me know in the comments down below your thoughts on it. Let me know what your favorite shades are that you've tried out, because I'm definitely going to want to get more of these. This is amazing. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.